In this tutorial, I will show you how to change account age in Epic Games in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, open any of the browser and search for epicgames.com and sign in to your account by clicking on sign in from the top right corner. After signing into your account, click on support. Now here you have to describe your problem or just type I want to change my age and hit enter. Now tell are you trying to change age on your own account or your child's account. As I am trying to change age on my own account, so I type on. After this you have to type can you send me to the contact page? Now click on yes, then click on submit email ticket. Now the support team will contact you within 1 to 3 business days. Moreover, if you want to add extra messages or to provide any proof of your real age like the pic of your ID card or driving license, then click on view chat and then scroll down. Here you can add a message like I did here. You can add any file as a proof of your real age. Then click on send message. So that's how you can change account age in Epic Games in just few easy steps.